Hello, and welcome to English Podcast with Missy. Here we learn English for real life. Clear, slow, and simple. Let's learn English together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hi, friends. I'm so glad you're here with me today. This is Missy, and welcome to another soft, slow English story. Today, we're going somewhere simple. Not a trip to the mountains, not a holiday, but just to the grocery store. You might be thinking, why make a story about that? Because sometimes the smallest parts of our lives are the ones filled with calm, real beauty. The sounds, the smells, the people. Today's story will take us through one of my favorite little routines. Going to the store. Walking. Looking. Noticing. In this story, we'll also notice a little grammar. The present simple tense. It's how we talk about everyday life. I'll speak slowly, gently, and clearly, so you can follow along, relax, and learn with ease. Let's begin. It's a quiet afternoon. The sun is soft, just a little light on the kitchen floor. I made some tea earlier, and now the cup is empty. The steam is gone. I walk over to the fridge. Open it. Look around. No eggs, just a little milk in the bottle. One lonely apple sitting on the shelf, starting to wrinkle a bit. I open the pantry. No more bread. No bananas. No cookies. Just an empty cookie box. Time to go shopping. I grab my cloth bag from the hook by the door. It's light, with little blue flowers on it. I always use the same bag. It's old but strong. It feels like part of my routine. I check my wallet, small and brown with a tiny zipper. Then my phone. My keys. I slip on my shoes. Comfy sneakers, perfect for walking. Outside the window, the sky is soft and blue. No clouds, no wind. A perfect day to walk to the store. No rush, no pressure. As I step outside, the breeze touches my cheeks. It's gentle, almost like a friend saying hello. Leaves move slowly in the trees. They dance a little in the air. Birds sing little songs from above, each one a little different. I hear footsteps on the sidewalk. A man is walking his dog, a big dog with fluffy fur. They walk together quietly, just like me. I pass a bakery. The smell of warm bread pulls me closer. It's fresh and sweet, like butter and sugar and something magical. I pause for a second, close my eyes. It smells like mornings at my grandmother's house, when she used to bake muffins and tell me stories. Down the street, a child runs to her mother, laughing, full of energy. She holds a yellow balloon. It bounces in the air like a little sun, bright and happy. I walk slowly, not in a rush. This is my time. Just walking, just noticing. The glass doors slide open with a soft whoosh. Cool air touches my skin, refreshing and calm after the sun. I grab a small shopping cart. It wobbles a little. It has one squeaky wheel. But I don't mind. It always makes me smile. Soft music plays above. Something smooth and jazzy. The kind of music that makes you move slower, breathe deeper, feel peaceful. I see color everywhere. Red apples, green cucumbers, orange carrots, yellow bananas. It looks like a painting. Bright, fresh, alive. I stop at the fruit. Pick up each apple. Turn it in my hand. I check for bruises. I feel the weight. I smell the skin. I like apples that feel just right. Not too soft. Not too shiny. Like they were picked this morning. I place 4 apples in my cart. And smile. A simple joy. Now, to the dairy section. Cold air blows from the open fridge. It tickles my arms. Rows and rows of milk. Whole milk, almond milk, soy milk, oat milk. So many choices, lined up like little white soldiers. I grab 1 small bottle of low-fat milk. It's my usual choice. Easy to drink, good for tea. Next, I head to the bread aisle. It smells like home. Fresh, warm, even though the bread is cold to touch. I stop and read the labels carefully. Some breads have seeds and grains. Others are soft and sweet like cake. I choose whole grain. It's good for breakfast and for toast with peanut butter. Then I look at the eggs. There are brown ones and white ones. I always choose brown. No reason, just habit. It feels familiar. I walk down a quiet aisle. It's full of spices and sauces, little glass jars with red, yellow, green powders inside. I don't need anything, but I stop anyway. Sometimes I just like looking. A jar of tomato sauce catches my eye. It reminds me of pasta night with friends. I see the table in my mind, steam rising from bowls, laughter in the air, garlic and tomato on everyone's plates. I smile at the memory. It's warm, like the sauce. I turn the corner and see the snack shelf. Cookies, crackers, candy, colorful and tempting. I look for something small, something soft, not too sweet. And then I find them. Oatmeal cookies, just like my mom used to buy. Simple, soft, full of tiny raisins. I place the bag in my cart carefully. A small treat is okay sometimes. A little joy. At the vegetables, I see a man gently pressing avocados. He's checking if they're ripe, just like I do. I reach for one and we both laugh. We almost touch the same one. "You first," he says kindly. "No, go ahead," I reply. We smile, just strangers, but kind. A small shared moment. Nearby, a little boy drops a box of cereal. It spills everywhere. Little circles rolling on the floor. His mother looks tired, but a worker comes to help. "No problem," she says kindly, sweeping the floor with a soft smile. I see an old woman trying to read a can's label. She squints. I walk over and offer help. She thanks me with a soft voice. Her eyes are gentle. I feel warm inside. Small moments, small kindnesses. They stay with you. My cart is not full, but it's just enough. I go to the checkout line. A young man with flowers stands in front of me. Red roses. I wonder who they're for. Then it's my turn. The cashier smiles. She looks a little tired, but kind. "Hi there," she says. "Did you find everything?" "Yes," I say softly. She scans each item. Beep, beep, beep. I pay with my card. The machine says, "Thank you." And so do I. I pack my things slowly. Bread on top. Cookies safe. Milk on the side. "Have a lovely day," the cashier says. Then I reply, "You too." Outside, the light has changed. The sun is lower now, leaning into the horizon. The sky is a painting. Gold, peach, pink, lavender. Colors that only last for a short time. I walk home slowly. My bag feels heavier, but not in a bad way. It's full of good things. As I pass the bakery again, I notice a small bench. It's under a tree in soft light. I sit down. Just for a moment. The breeze is quiet. The air feels clean. Birds fly across the sky, returning home to their nests. I take a deep breath. Then I reach into my pocket. I open the camera on my phone and take a photo of the sky. The colors are so soft, so beautiful. I want to remember this moment. I don't post it. I don't send it. I just save it. A quiet picture for myself. Then I put the phone away. Close my eyes for a moment. Just light. And stillness. This is what peace feels like. After a little while, I stand up and walk home. I unlock my door, step into the quiet. My kitchen smells clean. My plants sit in the window, catching the last light of day. I put down my bag, take off my shoes, pour a glass of water. One by one, I take out the items: bread, milk, eggs, apples, cookies. I look at them and feel grateful. Not for anything big, just this. A peaceful afternoon, a kind stranger, warm sunlight, and food to enjoy. Now, let's take a small moment to notice the grammar we use today. The present simple tense. Present simple. We use this tense to talk about everyday life. Things we do often or things that are always true. Let's see the examples from the story. I go to the store. I buy bread. Birds fly across the sky. These are quiet actions, simple routines. They help us talk about life in a calm, clear way. Try it yourself. What is one thing you do every day? I drink tea. I read before bed. That's present simple. Small habits, everyday life, just like our story. Little by little, your English is growing, and I'm proud of you for listening and learning with me. And that, dear friends, was my little grocery trip. Maybe simple, but not small. Thank you for walking with me, listening, and sharing this gentle moment. If you'd like to read the full story or download the transcript, just click the link below this episode. It's perfect for reading again, practicing vocabulary, or just relaxing. You can listen again anytime, and I'll be back soon with another calm story. Until then, stay kind, stay curious, and take good care of yourself. See you soon.